Number 1.
1972 Chevrolet C10, price $8,000, finished in bright yellow with a black interior. It's powered by a 350 V8 engine with an aluminum intake, a new Edelbrock carburetor, and a rebuilt TH350 automatic transmission. Running on gasoline, it delivers strong and reliable performance. The truck has been mechanically refreshed with a new dual exhaust, master cylinder, wheel cylinders, brake hoses, lines, pads, and shoes. Inside, it features new carpet, seat upholstery, seat belts, a custom steering wheel, and door pulls. New door seals, window seals, and fuzzies have also been installed for a quieter ride. It sits on 20-inch Riddler wheels, which show some peeling, and the tires are older.
Overall, this C10 is a well-upgraded and solid driver with classic style and recent improvements. Number 2.
1988 Ford F-150, price $6,500, well-preserved and highly sought-after classic truck, featuring a red-on-red color combination with a two-tone exterior. It's equipped with the legendary and incredibly reliable 4.9L Ford 300 inline six-cylinder engine, paired with a 4-speed manual transmission with overdrive. This is a two-wheel drive model, designed for durability and ease of maintenance. The truck is a two-door long bed variant, offering a spacious 8-foot bed ideal for hauling and utility use. It shows no signs of rot and has been recently fitted with several important new components, including stainless steel brake lines, a new starter, a new brake caliper, and a fresh oil change. In addition to its current upgrades, the truck also comes with extra new parts for future maintenance, such as oil filters, motor oil, and a spare tire, ensuring continued reliability and value.
Number 3.
1997 GMC Sierra 1500, price $8,000. With approximately 186,000 miles on the odometer. It features a 5.7-liter V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission, delivering solid performance for daily driving, towing, or work-related tasks. Finished in a sleek black exterior with a gray interior, the Sierra retains its classic look while benefiting from a few tasteful upgrades. It's equipped with a KN cold air intake and a bag rear suspension setup specifically for towing support. Additional enhancements include trailer brake controls, a new battery, a new starter, and a recently replaced 4x4 actuator. The vehicle rides on newer Chevrolet wheels wrapped in all-terrain tires with about half their tread life remaining. Hit that like button if classic trucks make your heart race.
Want to help us keep these legends on the road? Drop a super thanks, every bit counts.
And don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell for more badass builds and barn finds.
Number 4.
1987 Chevrolet Silverado, price $6,700, features an automatic transmission and runs on gasoline. It sports a clean white exterior paired with a tan interior, offering a classic and timeless look. The truck has received numerous recent upgrades, making it a solid candidate for daily driving or weekend cruising. The front wheel wells have been replaced with new metal components, and the spark plugs, spark plug wires, and battery are all brand new.
The front shocks and exhaust system have also been upgraded.
It sits on a fresh set of wheels and tires, enhancing both performance and curb appeal. Inside, the cabin has been refreshed with new interior door panels, a new headliner, dashboard, and carpeting. All door seals have been replaced as well, contributing to a tighter and quieter ride.
Number 5.
1996 Chevrolet 3500, price $10,000, strong and reliable truck with 176,000 miles. It features a burgundy exterior and charcoal interior, powered by a fuel-injected 454 V8 gasoline engine. The motor has been fully resealed with new gaskets, and it has new motor mounts for added durability. It comes with a manual transmission and a freshly rebuilt NV4500 gearbox with all upgrades, driven only 500 miles since. A new clutch and slave cylinder have also been installed, along with a new AC compressor. The frame has been undercoat from the engine bay down for added protection. The truck rides on new American racing wheels with new tires and includes a gooseneck ball in the bed, ready for towing.
Number 6.
1989 Ford F-350, price $5,800, with 109,000 original miles on its powerful 7.5L 460 big block V8 engine. It features an automatic transmission and runs on gasoline. The exterior is finished in blue, matching the blue interior for a classic, cohesive look. Despite a few dents and dings consistent with its age, the body is impressively rust-free with no holes or major corrosion. The front gas tank has been replaced, along with all 4 shocks for improved ride quality. New front lift coils were added to level out the stance, and all fluids have been flushed or changed. The front lower control arm bushings are new, as are the U-joints and carrier bearing. For improved steering, the power steering pump, lines, and steering gearbox have all been replaced. Additionally, the truck features new door window trim and taillights, adding to both function and appearance.
Number 7.
1995 Chevrolet 1500, price $4,650. It has covered an impressive 319,000 miles, yet it continues to run and drive strong, proving its reliability over time. It features an automatic transmission and comes in a sleek black exterior with a well-maintained gray interior. Despite its age, the cabin remains clean and shows that it has been well cared for throughout the years. Equipped with cold air conditioning, this truck is ready to keep its occupants comfortable even during the hottest summer days. It also rides on a brand new set of 265/75 or 16 mud-terrain tires, making it fully capable of handling off-road conditions or tough terrain. The 4x4 system is functional and engages as it should, though it may benefit from some attention as the shifting can be a bit rough. While there are a few minor cosmetic blemishes on the body, none of them affect the truck's performance.
Number 8.
1986 GMC C10, price $9,600. This pickup is a mostly original, unrestored truck with just 47,000 original miles. Powered by a 305 V8 and 2WD, it's a two-owner vehicle, originally bought new in Morganton. The truck has some dents, dings, and typical rust behind the wheels from years of sitting outside. It's not a show truck but a solid survivor. It features dual fuel tanks, the right tank needs replacing, a new one is included, working AC that only lasts a couple weeks after charging, and an intermittent radio. If left sitting too long, the front brakes may drag slightly. Some gauges occasionally read low but function properly at times. Overall, it's a great candidate for light restoration or daily use with vintage character.
Number 9.
1979 Ford F-150, price $9,750. With 112,000 miles on the odometer, it still starts right up and runs smoothly, thanks to a recent tune-up. The truck features an automatic transmission and runs on gasoline, making it a dependable driver for anyone who appreciates vintage American trucks. It wears a brown exterior complemented by a tan interior, staying true to its original styling. Although it has maintained registration in North Carolina, it is exempt from inspection requirements due to its age. This F-150 is a great example of a classic truck that's been both well cared for and kept within the same family, ensuring its history and condition have been preserved over the years.
Number 10.
1968 Chevrolet C10, price $6,800. Under the hood, it's powered by a strong Chevy 350 Corvette engine paired with a smooth Powerglide transmission, delivering reliable performance and a vintage driving feel. The truck runs great and has already received several important upgrades, including newer tires and all-new brake lines and cylinders, ensuring safety and drivability. Although there is some rust present, replacement rocker panels and a cab corner are included to address those areas. Overall, this C10 offers classic style and solid mechanics, making it an excellent choice for anyone looking to enjoy an iconic American pickup.